I am inspired to stories in YouTube channel and I started na mag-browse and I found Teach USA. Marami silang ibinigay na through WiseUp. Marami talagang pwede maging buhay ng isang J1 teacher. I started na magustuhan ng Teach USA and to teach in the USA simply because I want a professional growth. And I believe na it's not just about how you can go to other places and experience it, but on how you improve yourself. Kaya nasabi ko sa sarili ko, aside from I can help my family, masasabi ko rin talaga na natulungan ko yung sarili ko to get out the shell. Hindi naman po ako sobrang galing na teacher, but I believe na through Teach USA and dito magturo sa Amerika, I could really improve myself. I could learn something new na pwede kong rin ma-share doon sa mga aspirant natin mga teachers sa Philippines. And you are living inspiration to others. And ikaw yung magiging light and torch nila towards their dreams. It's not all about achieving the goal, but it's all about how you learn on it. Kung paano mo siya i-embrace, kung paano mo siya tatanggapin na buong buo. So, until I passed the interview, until I got my job offer, hindi siya madali. I mean, it requires a lot of crying moment, and it requires a lot of faith to God. At pati yung pinaka-importante, mas nakilala ko si Lord all throughout sa aking journey. And hindi naman natin masasabi na ang hindi lumingon sa kanyang pinagalingan hindi makakarating sa paroroonan. But I believe, if God's will in your life through your journey at ito'y kanyang ibibigay sa iyo, you can go wherever you want to go. And ang dapat mo lang panghawakan is that panindigan mo kung ano yung pinasok mo. Kung meron kang pangarap, you can be a risk taker. Hindi siya madali sa umpisa, but you have to dive on the deeper understanding about kung ano tatahakin mo sa buhay. And it's a choice. Embrace the changes and expect the unexpected.